Okay, Martha, these are the two printer Telegram groups. This is the 5 minute. This is the 1 minute. Okay? You click on the 1 minute, it'll be showing 965 subscribers. Okay? So, what you do, you click at the top of the screen, up here where it says Money Printer PO. Click on that, that will open up. Then you click on mute and customize. In your customization, you click on a sound that you want it to be. See where it says sound? I got best wake up alarm. So you can choose whatever alarm you want to. And then you click so again, I got best wake up alarm, and it'll let you know when you get a signal. Okay, you had to make sure it's unmuted. Okay, I'm on my tablet, so I'm gonna mute this back, and I'm at work. Okay, now you ask me what numbers do you look at? You look at the two middle numbers only in here, and then at the top of my screen, you look at your clock minutes on your clock. You want to watch or your computer. Then you look at the countdown here. When it gets down to 0, that's when you push either your buy or your sell. Like this one says a buy. That's when you push the buy or the sell button when this goes down to 0. Okay? When you type in up here your pair or your currency, always look for, like I said, I only use 92%. And make sure your time here is on 0. Make sure this is not showing like a flag. I'm going to show you what I mean. Make sure it's showing the clock thing. And this is the amount of money you're going to be trading. And again, this is your 92 for the stochastic, and this is the 6 for your stochastic. Okay, make sure this is not showing a flag, but make sure it's showing the clock. When you click this, make sure it's showing the clock. Alright? And don't worry about my, everybody has their own EMAs and whatever. Really, when you're doing the bot, you should be trading with a naked chart. Because you're not really relying on these indicators and the Keltner chain. That's what Jeremy uses when he's doing when he's not trading with the bot, or when he's trading on his own. So again, just have a naked chart up. When you want to see the trades you won or the trades that you're in, you click on down here in the bottom on, if you're on your mobile device. If you're on your PC, it's going to be up in the right hand corner. It'll say trades, and I'll show you what I mean. You click on it, it'll show you all your trades you were in. It'll show you your open trades or your closed trades if you click on it. Okay? Now, this is what you're trading, or what you traded, the dollar amount. This is whether you won or you lost. So that was a loss. So this is how a win would look. Traded $5, won $4.15. This is the total. And keep your eye on the percentage, because sometimes, like I said, at 92% changes and drops down. You don't realize it. It does it on its own. Okay, now they showed us how to check your real account. It's like a running total, or a graph. Shows you how you're doing. You click on your profile up here in the right hand corner, and then you scroll down. You click on the drop down box where it says profile again. Click on that, and then you click on your trading history, which would be here. Click on that, and then once you click on that, you click on trading history again, and let me see, I don't know how Nelly did a graph. Let me see what she did. And you can do it for your real account or your demo account. Okay? Okay, down on the bottom page here, when I'm in, I clicked on profile, trading profile, and it gives me total amount of trades that I took, profitable trades at 6%, trading profit, max trade, minimum trade, and this is how much I made trading. Okay, so that's pretty much it.